Hey everybody, it's Sherry at the Crafty Decorator. Happy Thursday, everybody. Guys, I've been so busy today. Sorry I've been like MIA. I need to show you something. Okay, guess what I found at the Dollar Tree? I went online looking for yellow boas and I came across this, so I needed to run to the store to get it because I had an idea for a rabbit I wanted to make for my 3-tiered tray. And you paint it, and then you paint it all white, and then you paint the face on, and you add these little ears. But oh my gosh, guys, these are bathroom sponges in the bath area of the Dollar Tree. Now, one Dollar Tree, I found one hanging with the baby stuff, like the bibs and stuff. They were hanging there. Then I went to a different Dollar Tree, and they were in the bath section with all of the scrunchies and everything for taking a bath, like all the adult stuff. They were in there. So you might find them in either one of those places. But this is a bunny sponge for giving like a baby or a kid a bath. Then I got this candle holder. This is, they don't have a name of it on there. I'm going to post a picture when I do the blog of the label. And then this is just, it's called a bath sponge. Now, online, you have to buy the whole mixture of them. There is a pig. There's a pig. And there's a unicorn. And there's also a bear. Now, I thought I bought 2 bear sponges, but I don't know. I must have lost one on the way. Okay, I'm going to show you what they come out like. Instead of painting the bunny on the glass jar, I did this. Guys, look at this. I am going to use this on my silver tray. And look, if you put, I don't know if you're going to see it good now, but in the dark, you can see the candle. It lights up in there. Oh my gosh. I have to tell you, I am in love with this. I added that flower ribbon that's on the mesh. This is the small one from Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to also post this when I make a blog, the item number on there. This is from Hobby Lobby, so it's $2 a roll. Okay, come on now. Do you not think that is adorable? All right, I want to show you what I did. Now, here's the unicorn one. How cute would this be in a baby's room? Look, you could put the Desitin in here, or Q-tips, or their nail clippers, anything like that. This is the unicorn one. Look, how cute is that? I'm loving it. And then this is the bear one. This is the bear. I have a thermometer, baby thermometer in there. How cute are these? I am sending these for the babies' rooms. And I need to make, well, I think I might send the bear and the bunny for the baby's room, maybe. I'm not sure yet. And the unicorn for Scarlett. I need to do something for Jackie. Okay, I'm going to show you how I did these. I used, well, first of all, I ripped this tag off on the side. And then I cut my hang tag off. Okay, now I used my thread puller. I don't know if you have one of these. If not, use a tiny pair of scissors. And find your seam on the top. And look for the, pull it apart, and you can find the threads. And you are just going to open this up on the top. See how easy it opens? Let's see. It opens up really easy, guys. Just find those little threads and open it up. And you're going to take this out once you get it unhooked there. Take this out. A little hanger. And I am just opening this up. Don't worry, we're going to fix the side. Okay. So, there. Now I'm going to take the sponge out. And I'm going to pull off these extra little threads from me ripping it open. I'm going to pull those little extra threads off. And I'm going to clip those long ones on the side there. I'm going to clip those. Okay. Okay. Now you have this opened bunny. Now take your, I need to save that because I need that for my blog. I'm not worried about getting the sticker off because we're sticking it in here. You're going to slide this onto here. Now, you may have to pull a little bit, but it does go on. Okay, now you are going to want to pull. Look, see how that went on? Look, you want the ears on the top. So make sure you pull the front to where the ears are going to sit on the top like that. Okay, now see how our side is open there? We are going to fix that right now. We are going to fix that. I start with this ear part, like the part the ear's on. So make sure your ears are up there. Make sure your ears are on the top. Hold down your fabric in there. Then you are going to add hot glue. You are going to add hot glue to the side, right? Just like that. And you are going to pull this up and over. We are going to seal that ripped seam right there. Okay, that side's glued down. That side's glued down. Now we're going to do this side. So pull it. So it's going to be closed. See that? So pull this back. Add your hot glue right there. And pull this. So it's right next to that. So you have a seam there now. Now we need to go do the other side. So make sure your ear is up there. Making sure my ear's up there. You can actually okay, well, let me do this first. Okay, we're going to make sure our ear's there. I got to cut that string off. Okay, I just want to make sure my ear's up there. And then hold my fabric down. Okay. Now I need to add my hot glue to this side. Under there. And pull this down. Okay, my ear's up there. Okay, now we need to glue this side. I thought I had another string. We have to glue this side. Okay, so add hot glue there. And then pull this over. So you have your seam right there. Okay, now, inside your brim here, add hot glue. I do the back first or the front, either one. I do one at a time though. Okay, so then fold over. I added hot glue in there around my brim, and you're going to fold this over. So it's like that on the inside. Now you're going to do the front. And I want to make sure. Okay, I'm going to add hot glue in there around my brim. And then I am going to pull this to make sure my ears are on top. And glue that down. Guys, this is so simple. Okay, there you go. Look, look. Now, then I cut a piece of that flower ribbon. I went around and I cut the piece to fit. And I joined them in the back. Okay, you know this has mesh on it. This flowers are on mesh. And we're going to have to cut that mesh off. I'm looking to see where I can actually get the mesh to show you. Okay. See how these flowers are on mesh? Well, we're going to trim that mesh off. Now, I did 90% of this. I'd been trimming it off before I got on because I didn't want you to have to see me trim it all. But I am going to trim off that mesh. I just trim close to the flowers. Don't cut your flowers. Okay. I trimmed off all my mesh on both sides. So I have this now. Now I am just going to add a dab of hot glue in the center and get my first flower on. Whoops, not upside down, Sherry. Okay. I'm going to get my first flower on, and I think I'm going to need a glue stick. And then I am just going to add glue at the top around here, up into the ear. I stop at the ear because we are going to have to go down in front of the ear. Okay. So I got my flowers glued on the side. See, I stopped at the side of the ear. Now you're going to want to add hot glue across the fronts of your ears like that. And then glue down your flowers. So it's like this. See it? I'm in love with this, guys. Oh, I made it one flower too long. I'll just cut it off. And then continue adding hot glue. And I made it one flower too long. Okay. Jeez. No. Okay. I'm in love with this thing. Okay. There it is, guys. How adorable is this? How adorable. Now I just need to find more candle holders. I went to 2 Dollar Trees, and this is the only amount of candle holders I could find. 2 for 5 of them. And I used 2 frosted ones. They come in that clear or they come in frosted. And I use the frosted ones on the inside of the babies. Now, I don't know if the frosted, you don't see the candle as good. Well, I guess you can. I could see it. If I had the lights off, it would blink a lot better. I'm not sure if I'm going to put anything around the bear or not. I'm not sure about that yet. But here's the one we just made. If it was dark in here, you'd be able to see a lot better. Or you can stick carrots in it, maybe even. Oh, my little carrots are downstairs. But you can even stick carrots in this to put it on your tray. How cute are these? Okay, so take a run to the Dollar Tree if you can. If it's not safe for you, do not go out. But if you can, take a run to the Dollar Tree and grab these little sponges. Oh, the bunny. Let me grab one. Okay. Grab this bunny, at least this bunny sponge. I am going to use them on my 3-tier tray. I am definitely using these on my 3-tier tray. I wish they had a boy bunny one. Okay. If you like this little video using the bunny and the candle holder, I don't have another plain one to show you. But if you like this idea of the candle holder and the bunny sponge, decorate the page, guys, which means you know what now, because we had change it again. But decorate the page if you like this idea. And I am going to pick 2 winners on Sunday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I'm going to pick 2 winners on Sunday. And I will send you 2 bunny heads and 2 candle holders. Now I got to go. I got to go tomorrow and look for the candle holders. Fingers crossed I find them, guys, or I'm going to have to come up with something else for you to put out and put this over. But I will find them. I will find them. Even if I go to Family Dollar, because that's part of Dollar Tree. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this, guys, because I am so in love with this. Here's the bear. Here's the bunny. Oops, we got stuff stuck to him. Here's the bunny. Here's the bear. Here is the unicorn. If your granddaughter or daughter loves unicorns, my granddaughter loves unicorns. This is so cute. Now, I didn't have an extra candle holder to do the piggy, but the piggy would be cute in the kitchen. A piggy would be cute in the kitchen too. Okay, Thanks for joining me, guys. This is pre-recorded. I should have told you that in the beginning. I'm not live tonight. I'm just pre-recorded. I'm going to go downstairs and work on another blog. Okay, I'll talk to you all tomorrow. I hope you all have a good night. Thanks for joining me. Bye.